the stadium and the beach is right there. Maybe 10 minutes walk, 15, no more this. It's up the hill.
Oh yeah, so 100 and then...
It's not him, it's okay.
A few minutes later.
This is the apartment here in Šibenik. It's like remodeled. Look at that. It's so nice.
And they have a balcony.
And we have a nice view.
And we have chairs.
Yeah, it's hot, babe.
Oh, go.
So this is, it's a one bedroom here, but it's like a king size. It's pretty big. Very nice apartment. I love these doors. They're metal, you know? It's a couch. And then you pull up here and then, look, oops. And then there's pillows and then, look at the nice pillows and stuff and sheets they provided. Clean people. Oh, and then here, oh, there's coffee, Santo.
Yeah.
I think there's coffee, yeah, but you know, it's not.
It's not Venetian.
It's no. It says cappuccino. You know.
What?
At least you can make it. It says cappuccino. It's flavored, and there's tea. It's instant. Yeah, that looks good.
I don't know how to make it though.
And then there's sugar here. Okay. And then, you know, they had juice for us and the fruits and these, which we ate yesterday already. And then in the bathroom, it's so nice. This is a really nice shower. I like this floor too. And it's nice how they have a drain out here for water that comes out of the shower. Everything is really nice here. Very clean. And then they provided this stuff. And then in here, there's toilet paper.
3? I don't know.
No, 25.
Hey, I was close.
This is our first breakfast in Croatia. This is like a donut. But yeah, these are the ones that we got from the bakery last night. They're actually Albanian. It was an Albanian bakery, not a Croatian one. Second day in Šibenik. Look at our view from our apartment. Here's a garage that they gave us to use.
Look at that, the head is sticking out.
Oh yeah? Where?
You see the bird is sticking out, the head.
Wait, let me see.
The babies.
Yeah,
Where are the heads?
Look at
It looks like dirt.
There's another baby there.
There's one there with the mouth open. Wait.
Here, this gray thing right there.
Yeah,
Mom, the baby's opening its mouth.
So cute.
yeah, they're hungry.
And you know what? Those are the ones that were making noise when we were at the restaurant.
Yeah, they...
I think they fell.
Drop it, Papa.
They fell. Let me see. Cyrilla, I can. Look at the babies
Oh, it's
from
claws.
those nests.
Oh, put it
You're gonna-
there.
Ah,
Put it
it
there.
hurts.
Man, they're so small. Because the house, they're gonna squeeze them.
No, I think these people here know, Santo. They know the people who live here. They know what to do. Look at the mom flying around in
Yeah,
here.
I'm glad I saw. I almost stepped on them.
Mom, should we put them back in the nest?
Mom, can we take it home with
No. They need food from their mom.
But they might die.
No. Oh look at the mom over there.
babies are hugging? Look, they're cuddling because they're cold.
Wait, how come I can't find them here? Where are they? Oh, there.
Look for a hairdresser.
There was one last night, remember?
I know.
Next to the restaurant.
Yeah, but do we want to go
All the way?
then we get lost? Streets and beer too.
Yeah, there's like a bar, huh? Habla, remember? I told you it's like a Spanish bar.
So you put it in your hand and then you squeeze it.
Santo, they know you're not from here.
Maybe I should drink coffee and ask them where the address is.
Oh yeah.
I need a coffee.
So today's a country holiday and
It's
basically.
closed.
Oh my gosh. Well, let's see the market.
I hope the market is open.
Yeah.
Neck.
No, but maybe there's something open downtown.
Hey, you're like
You said the hairdresser, no?
It's hot. It's probably what, like 90 right now, right?
87, I'm guessing. If I guess it's right, I think it'd be $10.
Oh no, already two. It's good.
Oh.
Maybe
Oh, okay.
maybe it's tiny. It's tiny.
I think I'm supposed to.
No.
It just take 2 cooler or 5 cooler. Just to leave.
Oh, right here. We get in there. Wow. It's like a Costco. There's some water there.
we need some donuts.
Yeah.
It's not like a Šibenik. It's kind of big.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not small,
Yeah.
but it's not big.
It's a big city.
It's a big city.
And then there's outskirts. Watermelon, yeah, look.
Mom, wait, Mom.
Yeah.
We should get this watermelon that has those plastic on it.
I know, but it's hard to eat, babe, remember? It's hard to finish. We're trying on these water shoes because the beaches are rocky here.
Mom, look.
And I had a hard time swimming yesterday.
This is going up.
Let's ask her. Okay, the lady's gonna help us do
Let me
it.
ask her how they do it.
Okay. Yeah,
I just wanted to be early because remember last time we got cold.
the lettuce you don't have to weigh. They know already at the counter. Okay,
But I don't know.
okay.
It's
Look at this. This is so
What is
cute.
inside it?
Oh, it's a tomato. Actually, what do you call those tomatoes? Yeah, they call something
Cherry
else.
tomato.
No, tomatillos.
Something with the rice?
Yeah, okay. So we got the water shoes. We found it for the 3 of us, but they were out of the other ones.
Strawberries. Mom, can we get strawberries?
Yeah. Those ones are on sale. Yep. I think they have it. We get a small one. Are these real? Oh no, these are plastic ones. They have the real ones on the other side. The oranges here, I think they come from Spain. Yeah.
Or you could
Hispanjolska, I think
Try to keep
means
it
Spain.
I have to make it stop.
This one's the same.
Ooh, you made it. Ooh.
Oh!
Huh?
Let's go.
Where are the mangoes?
Eggplant?
So that's the key, huh?
Okay, so you have to enter those numbers like 1, 7, 7, 3, 2, 2.
Let me do
Okay.
it so I learn.
Okay,
Clear. This is clear, yeah.
clear.
70. Okay.
7.
72 and
Oh, that's number
then
72.
4.5.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Every number, every price have number.
Okay.
So just end the number, not the
Yeah.
price. Not the
No price.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, there you go.
So
That's
they're-
a trick.
they're already.
Makes sense. Enter the number and the stuff is already in the system. Okay.
It's easy, please.
Okay, now let's get
Okay, so-
rice. Rice and meat.
That's the coffee that I like.
So this one you don't have to enter to weigh it. Yeah, it's 2.99 kuna. That's it. Yeah, it's packaged. But like this onions, it would be number 32. No, let's get Croatian. It's 1 kuna less. The Croatian beer is good. Or you want to get that one big one? Santo, you want to get the big one or?
The big one? If we don't finish,
Oh yeah, okay. $6.99. Beers, $6.99. Kuna, nuts, and hazelnut. Hazelnut, 31.49 kuna. Is that a lot? Forget it or what?
Okay, 50 kuna is $1. So it's less than $1.
Oh, okay. You sure?
Yes.
Okay. They have lots of olives, many choices of olives. All of those. And capers here. All the jarred stuff here.
You need a jam for the bread.
So let's get, yeah, that one, $38.99.
What is that anyway?
It's a shank. These are $52.99 kuna. Tripe, that's tripe. Tripe, $31.89, 20% off.
Easy. Oh, we're back.
They have these gluten-free barilo, so like the same ones we got from London and the ones we eat in San Francisco. It's these shrimp. I think I'm gonna get these shrimp to make with pasta. I'm gonna get this. I think this is ground beef, or is this pork? No, maybe it's pork. Yeah. And it's I think this is $25.99 and it's 20% off, it says. This is the deli area. Deli area. Tea, coffee. Deli chalk. Let's get this. Deli chalk. Some candies and cookies here, maybe here. Maybe they have a different department for gluten-free things. These are worldwide, of course. Let's see.
In England, they call Lay's Walkers.
I think that's a different brand. Walkers.
No, they're the same.
I want to get their own, like my chips. Slani. Let's try Croatian brand. Yeah, these are Croatian brand. My chips. Oh, there's jam and stuff here. Let's see. Nutella.
Oh.
Strawberry jam for $24.99 kuna. Okay, put it in the cart. These are all like flour for baking. We have to get toilet paper. Like a few rolls of toilet paper. So how much is this? Softy classic. Okay, let's get this. They have these too, the gluten-free ones I usually get from...
from Italy.
Yeah, I get those from Safeway. They have it here too. I usually get the ciabatta kind, but here they have different ones, more selections here. And these cookies are gluten-free. Okay. Look, Santo, they have the flour too, gluten-free flour. The cheapest oil they have is this. This 500 milligram, $44.99 kuna. This is the smallest, because I'm not sure if they have olive oil.
We're gonna finish this.
Yeah, we're gonna finish that. Yeah. Oreos here, but it's a different kind. $7.99 kuna.
What is this language?
This is, I think these are
Fish.
like, yeah, maybe tuna, you know, and stuff.
Oh, never mind.
Tuna? Yeah, let's get tuna.
No, it's okay. I don't want it.
No, I can make tuna one
No,
day.
it's okay. I don't want it.
Not yet. I'm looking at tuna right now. Oh, this is where they have all the pasta. Okay, just regular rice. Here, just this one, or maybe even this. $10.99 for this. This is good. Just regular rice. I don't know what kind, but it's not in, you know, it's in Croatian.
$8.99.
Oh yeah, that's even cheaper.
No, but it's just rice, right?
Yeah, let's just take that. $8.99. It's 950. It's 50 grams less than that. They have all the barilla pasta here and more pasta here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
What is that? Oh, those drink from last night. Yep.
I got another one for Santo.
Stick toast is what? How much? I think it's $8.99 kuna for the sliced bread. This is where all the cheese. Here's all cheese and butter, eggs, milk, yogurt. $99 for these, and it looks like they're like rage free or something, because you know they show all this stuff. I don't know. For $7.99, look at that. Yeah, let's get this one. This milk, $6.99. They're pretty cheap. I get this one, $7.59. Looks so good. This milk, yummy. For $7.59. This is all frozen section here. This here, wine over there, water here. There's cases of beer. Oh, like this is $34.99 for that red wine, bottle of red wine. That's $49.99, $59.99. It's all different. I think we're gonna get the Stardust wine for $26.99 from Macedonia. How big the bottles of beer! Holy, it's a 2 liter. 2 liter for those ones. They have a lot of beers here. Apple juice right here, $7.99. So we're gonna get all this. We have another 5 days here. That now we're paying. So we're bagging everything here. All right, now we're exiting. It was about 765 kuna.
Because
Oh, they have furniture here too.
It's $110, man.
This is Dinko's car. He's got a cover, you see, for the, you know, for the windshield to cover it. Oh, it's so hot in here. It's like 90 something degrees.